I wanted to start this video with showing you guys how a supporting blog post to a YouTube video should be done. Here you have a really in-depth video. It's 18 minutes long.
In 7.5 months,
He goes through everything you need to know about YouTube SEO, and then look at the blog post. It's completely in-depth. It's a breakdown of the video completely. It took a lot of time to do, and they'll get a lot of SEO benefits. Now, how do most companies do it? Instead of this, what they'll do is they'll add a transcript, and with that transcript, they're hoping to generate, SEO benefits. This is the way it should be done. What you're looking at now is kind of crazy because it's actually the future of advertising. If I go left here, all of a sudden the face is different. Now what this is showing is how in the future, if you're creating an ad for a certain person, you'll be able to match it with the person in the ad. And that's definitely going to lead to higher conversion rates and all that. This is the future of advertising. And to go even more in depth into it, take a look at this. You could already buy 25,000 AI generated stock models. None of these people you're seeing here are real. They're all AI. And right now, all the products, there's more products than just this one. They're all photos. But in the future, it's definitely going to be video. Slides 5 came out recently, and it's one of the best template builders I've ever used, and one of the reasons I like it so much is right here, the desktop and mobile page speed for Google. I actually used this and I paired it up with a really fast host, and it is insanely fast. But I'll give you a peek inside since I bought it. You can go through all these templates, just click whatever you want, and it's super easy to edit, but I want you guys to see what it looks like. And so there's a lot of different animations as well you could use. I'll just go with default. You could have no animation as well. And we'll put a little top bar on there and then preview. Comes out really nice. You can choose no background or your color, whatever you need. Pretty easy to edit. They have an editor built in that you could use. You have to know some HTML though, but it's pretty easy. Lyft came out with rentals, which I think they did wrong. I don't care too much about the product, I'm not talking about that, but the way they launched it. Here you have just a basic blog post, right? And then if you guys remember, last week Airbnb launched experiences. Let's take a look at that. Huge difference, right? You get a total feel for what's going on, interactive web page. You go right into it. Now let's go back to Lyft. A blog post wants me to read all this. Video's alright, but then what? I can't even see what it is. I have to download the app, I guess. I'm not gonna do that. Are you? I also found this little city kit of illustrations, and I'm seeing a lot of illustrations pop up for sale, which is pretty cool because you can use them on your website. It makes it look really professional, really fast. Maybe not this one. I don't know how you'd use this one, but they have lots of other ones. And I wanted to say, this is going to be a huge market, but the one thing they're missing right now is, I'll show you, right here. Look at Intercom. See these little animations? How much more involved does that make you as a viewer? It makes the website feel alive. And so I think we're at level 1 right now, which is just now illustrators are starting to sell their artwork. I think level 2 is going to be a marketplace where I could buy multiple ones without having to go to Startup Milk for one, Design Modo for another, and then another website for another. I think they'll all be consolidated into one place. But then the third step is going to be animations, not just illustrations, because the animations are what really bring the website to life. If you could have just these little things. And last we have exploding topics. It's pretty cool because if you're going to do a blog post or something and you don't know what to write about, you could go here and see what's trending. And they have tons of topics. And even scrolling through this, I'm coming up with ideas. So it's really cool. You won't be picking a dead, search term or anything like that. Should be really helpful to marketers out there. Thanks for watching.